Here's the next step in this process. This is the amp that he's decided to use. It's Wet Sounds. He talked to somebody and this is what they recommended. It's what he bought. Don't know much about Wet Sounds. This is my first time to use them, to install it. So we'll see how it goes. You never know. These are the speakers he's putting in. 6.5 two-ways. Again from Wet Sounds. We'll show you how this works. We got the owner's manual. Okay. Handy templates that is not cut right. You can look at this. You see the outline of the speaker. Well, that speaker hole goes over the outline of the speaker. This perforated edge only goes up to maybe just over 1/4 inch from that line. It's just way off. Both of them are that way. I guess it's just the line that's off, because if you look at the back side of it, the hole cut out looks like it might be okay. We'll see. Not going to be using them, but mounting hardware, grills, which we won't use. The speaker. Oh well, it's got two surrounds. It's got an inverted surround and then an accordion surround. That's pretty different. Yeah, that's the Harley speaker. So that one, it's hard to see, but it says positive and negative right here on the edge of these. Black is going to be your negative, white is your positive. And let's see if these fit. They're supposed to just be a drop-in fit. But they don't. We have hit a small snag. These speakers that were supposed to fit, just be drop-ins, are not. Go figure. Looks like I have to take this pot off. And I'm just going to loosen these. And then there should be 3. One right here. One right here. I thought there was another one. Oh, yep, one right there. I know I probably got my big old head in y'all's way. So Since these are loose, take these out by hand. Here I'm just taking all the screws out so I can split the speaker enclosure. Oh, look at that. Straight apart. Now we're going to be able to tell where that thing hits. Look at there. That's where it's hitting. Let me get my light. Yep, it's hitting right there. Right here. So all I'm going to do is heat this area up right here and push it out just a little bit. It doesn't take much. This plastic will heat up pretty quick. The plastic gets very hot, so I use a paper towel to press out on the area that the speaker is hitting. Keep heating up the plastic a little at a time on both sides. I decided to use a tool, in this case a panel popper, that has a nice curved edge to push out on the plastic. Keep test fitting the speaker for clearance. You have to hold it in place long enough for the plastic to hold shape as it cools a little. That should do it right there. Maybe hard to see, but I got good clearance in there. It sits down now. All the way around. Once I tighten this thing down, we're good to go. Now let's reassemble this. Alright, let's go put it back on now. That's done. It's just gonna get popped off. Just with the little Christmas tree. Move that out of the way. It's loose. And voila, another speaker out. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. Y'all don't need to see it again. What did I do with my hex key? See, I'm always losing tools. Here it is. Right where I left it. That's the Harley speaker. It says Harley Davidson. You paid a lot of money for that. Looks a lot like the old Bose. Or blows, however you want to say it. Tiny little magnet. Oh, wow, this is a 2-ohm speaker. It's a lot like the Bose.